say I could die doing this. He wants to play. I want to go inside to the glorious warmth of Assassin's Creed 3, but it's raining outside, and he won't come in. And just lightning over that way. And it was hailing. I don't want to get those wet. We're gonna have a party soon. I'm not gonna tell you when. Yeah. And this is what I have to deal with. 10-month playful puppy that won't come inside when he tells him to. I don't want to shock him, because that's just, we like, come in comments like, oh my god, you're so cool to him. Like, he won't come inside. Oh my god, I have to get him. It's so wet, I can barely run. Piece of hell. That's a big piece of hell. Oh my god. Collection? Yeah, I'm collecting hair. Like I'm not even kidding you. I need